All right, so let's think. Raise your hand or give me a thumbs up out there if you feel like when you're traveling during the summer, which is the most time that we travel, it actually heightens your stress level, right? Exercise, vacationing, travel is fun. It's exciting, but it also, the packing, the making sure the kids have everything together, making sure you're finishing up major things at work. I mean, it is added stress. So there's certain things like the stress can deplete certain nutrients, can affect our mitochondria, which I know I want Ryan to go into in a little bit. And there's other things too, along with traveling, that affect our nutrient levels and affect our mitochondria. What's another big one? Sleep.
Sleep,
right?
for sure.
Sleep is huge. We're sleeping in different environments. Talking from a high maintenance sleeper, like I feel like I have everything from my sleep aid, my, earplugs and stuff like that. It's easy to travel with, but a lot of my bedding stuff I rely on for good deep sleep, and I can't have that with me. So we're in different beds.